Aloha, everybody. My name is Gavin. After 25 years leading global IT operations in organizations, I decided to try something a little different. It's actually teaching a machine to think, and in the process, maybe teach myself a few new things too. Having spent decades, in the corporate world of IT, I understand what it takes to bring new innovative ideas to life. The challenges that goes along with it, the collaboration, understanding the business problems, and of course, the patience that goes along with that as well. But I've learned that curiosity out of everything that I've done does not stop, nor should it ever stop. Learning is a never ending journey, and if we can share what we learned along the way, that's something that we can strive for. We all can. Here, I'm going to show you how to build a self learning AI ops system from scratch, one that observes, decides, and acts on its own. You'll see the real process, the wins, the mistakes, and the lessons that comes along with trying to make this infrastructure think. No buzzwords, no hype, just honest engineering and grit. If you ever wondered how to merge curiosity with technology, or if you're trying to reinvent yourself after all these years in the industry, you're here in the right place. This series is going to deliver that for you. Go ahead and hit subscribe, leave a comment, and come and build this with me. Again, my name is Gavin. Aloha, grit, intelligence, and think. We'll talk a lot about that. Let's begin.